Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a video of how to make slime. This is my second time filming it because the other one got weird and I don't know what happened. I'm going to show you guys how to make this type of slime.
Let me have some of yours next, Jared.
Huh? This type of slime. And the only things you're going to be needing is slime and these foam balls that you can get from a neck pillow. And yeah, and welcome to my and my brother's channel.
How many tracks have you ate already?
It's stuck to my thing. So this type of slime, these foam balls, I'm going to be flattening this and I'm going to be doing this, just tossing it over and over like this. So, and then just mix it together. And this is very soothing and very relaxing to do. So if you have any stress, just do this and like it's very cool. So it's just gonna keep repeating that until you have no more balls. And yeah, so you just keep doing this or until how much you like it. This is how it looks when I do this. So yeah. Then you just want to get the extra ones here. And then you just want to keep on mixing and mixing, and yeah. So now I'm going to add this one here. This was the one I made before. To this one here. This big one-ish. So tomorrow I'm going to be going to the mountains, to the snow, and we're gonna be like a video, our first vlog. This is our first video for our channel. Jared, come up here. This is mine and my brother's channel. Can you give me a container for my desk real quick?
No, an empty one.
Oh, so yeah. So yeah. This is our first slime or video, I'd say. And yeah, I'm going to show you my brother right now, but he's getting me another container because I don't want to go all the way down there. And yeah, so tomorrow, as I said, we are going to the snow. My sister over here, my other sister down there, and my brother. We're going to the snow with our parents, and you'll see some of our cousins just for the day, and then we are going home. You're going to see us going over there. And yeah, there's no more containers. This is my brother. That's our, yeah. We have a channel together, which is this one. Jared, don't touch that. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helps some of you guys. And if any of you guys are going through depression, I hope you guys get through it. You know, just cause, hey, you always gotta remind people. You never know who's out there. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'm actually filming this on Christmas Day. So yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Oh, and hope you liked this video. Subscribe. And yeah, love y'all.